Be loud.
Ah!
Perfect.
Hello and welcome to... Where are we? Hello and welcome to another episode of Kicking Cooking with I hate this.
I can't see.
Oh my god.
Giga's multi-talented. You can juggle too,
Well, you see, I used to busk on the streets, so I know a couple tricks here and there. Bust!
Bust what?
Bust to move. Can this bowl go in the microwave? It says oven safe. Let's see now. Where's all of my hands? Looks like mashed potatoes.
Oh, now that we have everything combined, it's time to put it in the cake. So now that we have everything combined, we can put it in the cake tin.
The cake pin! It's not me. I'm the sword in one hand. Duh. Aw, no one ever, breaking by baking. Yeah. Oh no, my husband, he's broken.
We're doing cake tasting.
Yeah. What am I doing wrong here? Just gonna... I stepped in the sugar.
Oh, there's sparkle!
It's edible glitter, but it's really old. Tastes like literally nothing. Grainy.
Tastes like bad. This is for arts and crafts. Luckily, it's non-toxic.
That's not my edible glitter? That's fine. I thought it was my edible glitter. Don't know what happened to that. Diana, what did we learn? Things before eating them.
How do I get these out?
You have to grip it.
No! No!
There's an eject button. I'm sorry, there's a what?
You would think that would be it, but I pressed it and nothing happened.
Yeah.
What?
You're not supposed to rip them out.
I forgot that there was candy nuts?
Yeah.
There we go. Ah! Words.
Words are hard.
Where'd the rest go?
Where'd the half cake go? Where is it?
Hello?
Where?
Hello?
Where's half the cake?
Oh, it folded in on itself.
Did it really? Scoopy scoop.
It's delicious cake. It doesn't taste at all like salty flour.
That looks disgusting.
I'm kind of excited to eat these.
That makes one of us.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. A mistake has been made. Not that.
Okay, I love you.
Okay.
Say it back.
Bit back.
What? This is our child.
You and me?
Yep.
A ghost and a god make this precious angel.
Oh.
My ear.
I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
What if I let go?
What if you let go?
What if I let
I
go?
would save you. I told you I would save you. Wow, this is so majestic. You're heavy. You'll no longer be the scrap collecting god.
Aw. I made that my whole personality.
You really know how to handle your balls.
Why you gotta?
Don't worry, Gay. I'll cook with you all the time.
Oh, it's so sweet. Forever?
Forever
Okay.
and ever.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I count that one? I didn't know the bag would be so dramatic.
Yeah, the bag was dramatic. Okay. They're starting to sweat. We gotta go.
You're sweating.
No, the balls are sweating.
Oh, they're all falling. Oh, there they. Oh, okay, there they. Don't stop. Okay.
Your hair is fucked.
Oh, look at the back. Did you put the right amount in there?
I think I did.
I forgot to count for you.
I didn't count.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh my god. My oi. My one good oi.
Oh no.
My eye. It's broken. Oh, thank you. It makes everything better. Want to kiss this eye too? Should we kiss about it?
Later.
800 years!
Oh, great. This again. This has like bad home video vibes. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 Ooh. Okay. 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 Ooh. Okay. 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 Don't worry. Okay. 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 Okay.
Every single one is special in its own way. Especially that one.